What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make $10,000 per month in 2019, and I'm going to walk you through it and show you exactly what one of my students is doing right now. Now in this video I'm going to walk you through it kind of step by step. I'm also going to show you the exact layout of exactly how it works. Now here's what I want to explain. This process is by going to different stores, going to thrift stores, by going to stores like Under Armour and buying new or used items and flipping those onto an online platform. Now one of my students, she is doing this all by herself. It's just her. She's a single mom. Now she's doing this by herself. She's selling stuff on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, Mercari, eBay, and Amazon. 5 different platforms, and she's making money. Okay, I'm gonna show you what she's doing. I'm not gonna show you her account. I'm not gonna show you the exact product she's selling, but I am gonna show you at the end of this video 4 different products you should be looking for right now to start making money. So let's hop on my computer and I'm gonna show you exactly what she's doing and how you can do it as well. All right, guys, so this is what I want to show you, how to make $10,000 per month in 2019. It's not that difficult, all right? But if you want to make $10,000 per month, how much money do you actually need to invest, right? So these are just numbers based off a bunch of my students, okay? I've been showing people how to get into the resale game for a while. So these are kind of their numbers or averages, if you will. And then I actually have a recent student. She just started doing over $10,000 per month about 2 to 3 months ago. So I want to show you her averages as well. So how much do you need to invest? I'd say between $1,000 and $3,500 is good if you want to get to that $10,000 per month, kind of level. Now, that's making $10,000. That's not profiting $10,000. Okay, understand the difference. Make $10,000 means that you have costs involved. Profiting means that's after all your costs, all your expenses, everything. Now, how many products must I buy as a reseller to make $10,000 per month? I'd say anywhere between 250 to 1,000. That means this one at this level, 250 products, means you're going to profit about $40 per product. This one, you're going to profit about $10 per product. Okay, hopefully that kind of makes sense, right? Now for my student, she's been doing this for about 2 to 3 months, where she's been making getting to $10,000 a month or higher. Okay, now her average cost over that time period, I think the past 2 months is what she said, is about $7.42. She buys stuff from multiple platforms. One of them is Facebook, another one's Craigslist. She buys stuff from yard sales, garage sales, estate sales. She buys books. She buys stuff from thrift stores, pawn shops. She pretty much buys just anything under the sun that will make her some money. With that, her average sale price is $36.84. And she said this was specifically for this past month. Total sales has been $10,426. I think it was actually $10,425, like 88 or 89, something like that. It was very close to 26, so I just put 26. The items she sold, there's 283. That means she sold a little bit over 9 items per day in the past month, okay? Profit per item was about $17.67, which came out to, if you were to multiply the total profit per item by the total items sold, came out to $5,000.61 in 1 month, and that is profit. Now, here's where she was selling. Like I said, she was selling on Facebook Marketplace, which means she has no fees. She was selling on Craigslist, which again means she has no fees. She was selling on Mercari, eBay, and Amazon, which all means she had fees. All these will charge a fee. These 2 are absolutely free, which is why her profit per item is higher than most people's, because she does sell, I guess, a decent amount on these 2 platforms. Her main platform are these 2 right here, though. Mercari is kind of a new one she's been testing out and having luck with. So she's been selling on it. And that's why I just wanted to mention it to you guys, because if you want to try to get more money, make more money, be more profitable, try as many platforms as you can. All right, so now that you know the numbers, okay, what you need to invest, how many products you need to go and find, all that stuff, I want to give you a couple tips before I show you the 4 products you should be out there looking for. Now, the first tip is to always be out there sourcing new inventory. Like her numbers show, you need 10 products to sell every single day in order to make that kind of money with those numbers. Now, are those going to be your numbers? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe your numbers are higher, maybe they're lower, but they're your numbers, okay? All you gotta do is go out there and find more inventory. That means you gotta hit up more yard sales, go to more thrift stores, go to more big box stores like Walmart, Target, Costco, wherever you have to go. Go to more pawn shops, look on Craigslist, look on Facebook. You need to look at everything if you wanna make that kind of money or more. The second tip that I have for you guys is to not just focus on one platform. I was guilty of this myself. I used to only sell on Amazon. And people said, hey, why are you just doing that? You should sell on eBay as well, Mercari, and OfferUp and all these other places. And I was like, no, it doesn't really fit with my business. But then when I took a step back and watched as my business really took off, I noticed I could make more money if I wasn't just focused on Amazon FBA. That's when I started to focus on eBay as well, and I started making more money. So my one tip for you guys today is sell on multiple platforms, because you're gonna make a lot more money because of it. And the third tip that I have for you guys, and this is very, very important, is to just move inventory. Okay, I say this because I used to struggle with giving people a deal, especially over on eBay. I would list a new pair of shoes and I'd want to get my $30 profit out of it, but somebody would give me like a best offer and I'd only make 15 or 20. Sometimes I'd just decline it. Sometimes I'd negotiate back and forth, and I'd still want that $30 profit, so I just decline the whole thing. But recently what I've been doing is I've been negotiating with the people and with the buyers, and I've been giving them a deal as long as I can still make some money, because if I can sell a new item or a used item and still make 10, 15, 20, $30 profit, it's better than making nothing. So negotiate when you can. All right, so now let's go look at those 4 products I promised you I was going to show you. Okay, like I said, like I promised, I want to show you 4 items that you can go and find right now that will make you some money. Now these ones right here, these are all used items as well. You can find new items, and I highly recommend you go and buy new items if you can. If you can find them, if you can afford them, do it. These right here are Nike golf shoes, all right? These ones right here, okay, size 13, Tiger Woods, Nike shoes. Probably in decent condition, sold for $114. These ones sold for $250. These are Jordans. 104, 22, 30, 13, 72. Here's what I want to explain to you guys. Golf shoes sell extremely well. Usually the only things that are really damaged on them are usually the spikes, the little cleats on the bottom. You kind of see them. Those are usually the only things that are damaged. And you can find those on eBay for a few bucks for a bag. And that's an incredible deal, because if you put on new spikes and you clean up the shoe a little bit, maybe you find something like, I've actually found some like these that were white and black. Nike, I'm not sure if they're the exact same ones. Bought them for $1 at a garage sale and did the exact same thing. Took the spikes, screwed new spikes in, and sold them. Okay, sold them actually on Craigslist, I believe, for like 30 or 40 bucks. Okay, so golf shoes are a great investment. You just gotta know what to look for. Now, the best thing to do is you flip open the tag. It will have a number. It'll say Nike, you'll have all the sizes, everything, have a number like, whatever, dash 001. That's the number you want to type in, all right? Because it's going to look something like this one right here, okay? You see the number, dash 001. Type that in right here on eBay, and it's going to pop up whatever shoe that you just typed in, and you see if it's profitable. Here's another one, a Sony Walkman. These ones, I have a bunch of these, and they sell extremely well. I sell a lot of these on Amazon, sell a lot on eBay as well. Look at these. This one right here, an old school one, cassette player, okay, 1983, sold for $99.99. Okay, you can come down the list. This was sold for $5.49. There's these ones for parts only, still selling $25 for this one right here with the headphones. This one with the cassette, $27. You get the idea. There's money to be made in Sony Walkmans. Here's another thing. I've shown you guys this before. It's an incredible deal. Bop It Extreme. Do not buy the white one. It doesn't do as well. Buy the black version right here. These ones, a little bit older than the white ones, but these ones sell for more. You can probably sell these for about $30 a piece, pretty much all day long. They do extremely well. Look at this one. This one has some gray. This one, the old version, $29 with $14 shipping. This one, not sure why it sold so low. I think it might be a smaller one, but you get the idea. They do sell pretty well. You can find these at yard sales, thrift stores. You can find these on Facebook sometimes, and you can pick these up for between $1 to $3 a piece. Here's a cool one. This is the last one I'm going to show you. 1990s Ninja Turtles. The 80s do a little bit better. The 90s still do extremely well. Look at this one. This right here, the Michelangelo Ninja Turtle. 7-inch figure, $55. This one, 1990 Playmates. The Killer Bee right here, $49.99. Ninja Turtles, especially the vintage ones, do extremely well. Same thing with Power Rangers. They do really well. Any of the vintage toys, the old school stuff, does extremely well. So get out there, start looking for it, because they can make you money. All right, guys, do me a favor. If you are serious about making money as a reseller, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. It just shows me that you guys are serious about doing it and you want more videos on this exact same topic. But that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.